Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a bit different because I'm going to be showcasing to you guys what I'm going to be kind of like doing for the next two videos. It's going to be like a small series on how to make a simple Pong game in Pygame. So what we're going to learn in this series is like how to set up Pygame, all the basics, how to render objects onto the screen, basic character movement and collisions and such. So let me show you what we're gonna be doing. So I'm gonna run. So as you can see, there's like a simple main menu, and I can press the letter P to play. So just some simple input. So I can even control the character. It's a two-player Pong game, so I have to control both sides. So yeah, it's really basic. There's collisions, you can bounce off the wall, and you can score as well. Yeah, so that's basically it. So I've been thinking probably we're gonna split it into a two-part series, where the first part we're gonna be putting the player on screen and basic character movement and the ball movement and such. Then in part two we'll be doing the text rendering, cleaning up the code, and so on. Yeah. So yeah, that's basically it for this video, and I hope to see you in this series when I post it from at least a day or two from now. Until next time, cheers.